Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Chess with Devans, and today I've come back with another interesting chess endgame puzzle. And in this puzzle, white has to win and mate black in 2 moves. So you're playing as white and you are supposed to move first and mate black in 2 moves. So as you see, white really had almost the same pieces as black, but just that white has an extra rook and white has to use that advantage to mate black in 2 moves. But as usual, I want you guys to first try to solve it by yourselves before we solve it together. So if you don't mind, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back when you found it. Good luck. Alright, so did you find that 2 moves that white has to play to mate black? Please let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe if you're tuning in for the first time. Okay, so let's try to solve this puzzle together. So if we try to play a waiting move by the king, maybe e1, e2, sorry, that wouldn't help us because now our bishop is hanging and it's gone and there is no mate in the next move, right? Even if we try to play b3, the king can still escape to b6, so there's no escape move there, there's no winning move there, so that's not the move we're looking for. And if you try to play e4, there's nothing, it's leading to our bishop is hanging. After capturing the bishop, there is no mate in the next move because literally there's no way you can mate black in the next move. Okay, so that's also not the move we are looking for. So pawn moves and king moves are not going to help us. What about if we capture the bishop on b6? Then after capturing the bishop back, there's no way you are mating black in the next move, so that's also not working out for us. What about playing bishop to h4? The idea is coming to e1, and then from e1 you try to mate. The problem is now black is going to make an escape route. Black could actually play like bishop to d4, and after that black has an escape route, because if you come to e1, black can go to b6 and you can't mate. That's the second move, there's no mate. So bishop moves don't look like they are going to work out for us. That means the solution has to actually be a rook move. But then where are we going to put our rook? Let's see, if we try to put rook to c5, we are clearly seeing that the rook is actually pinning this pawn. So how are we going to mate in the next move? The problem is when you put that, the bishop can't capture our rook because it's also pinned by our bishop. But then our bishop is hanging, so black is just going to capture the bishop. And how are you going to mate in the next move? No way. So that means rook c5 is also not going to be the move we are looking for. What about rook to c6? The idea is now we're having a double attack on this bishop. Okay, but still it doesn't help if black captures our bishop. There is no mate in the next move, so that's also not the move we are looking for. Okay, let's try another one. What about rook to c7? Now rook c7 puts black in a kind of zigzag, because now if black captures our rook, we capture back his mate. There's no way the king is going and they can't block. Black can't block this mate. Okay, so that's mate. But what about if black doesn't capture the rook? What if black actually moves the pawn? Okay, pawn from b5 to b4. Do we get to mate black in the next move? Yes, because when we play rook to c5, that's mate. The point is, this bishop is pinned, so it can't capture the rook, right? And this rook is delivering a mate without the king having an escape. So that's a mate. That's black can't do anything about that, right? So that would also be a mate in 2. But then what if black decides to play bishop to a7? Do we still get to mate black in the next move? If we capture this bishop, that's mate. Okay, what about if he decides to play bishop to let me see, along this diagonal? If he plays maybe bishop to d4, do we mate in the next move? Now if we played rook to c5, that's mate, because now the bishop would have come back to defend the mate, but now we are blocking it with the rook. So that means this bishop, our bishop on d8, is mating and black can't do anything about it. So that's also mate. So literally that's the solution for the puzzle, because whatever black tries to do, it can't avoid on mating the next move. And I hope you guys found it. Let us know in the comment section what you found. Until next puzzle, have a good day.